All right, picture this. You're craving a real adventure, not just another touristy trip. Let me take you to Vietnam, but not the way you've seen it on postcards. I'm talking about the Impression of Vietnam tour, a wild 10-day ride that's all about sights, flavors, and memories you'll brag about for years. Day 1, you touch down in Hanoi. Boom! Instant culture shock. The city's chaos somehow just works. Scooters everywhere, smells of street food, the old quarter buzzing with life. But you're not sticking around for long. The next morning, off to Halong Bay. Cruise between limestone cliffs, kayak in hidden coves, and if you're brave, dive in for a swim. By day 4, you're jetting south to Hue, the ancient imperial city. History here isn't just in the books. It's in the walls, the food, the riverside markets. But adventure seekers? You're in for a real treat as you ride the legendary Hai Van Pass. Wind in your hair, mountains on one side, ocean on the other. The freedom is unreal. Hoi An is next, and honestly, it's like walking into a dream. Glowing lanterns, secret alleyways, and food that'll make you rethink everything you know about noodles. Try a cooking class, or just get lost in the night market. No one's judging. Finally, Ho Chi Minh City. Fast, bold, and buzzing. Zip through the streets, explore the Cu Chi tunnels, and toast your adventure with locals over a glass of rice wine. Vietnam isn't just a place, it's a feeling of discovery, and this tour, it's your ticket. Ready to break out of the ordinary? Check out the full itinerary and start writing your own story.